In this video, we're going to go through an example of using the BLACKBOX AI Coding Agent on an open source repo. In this case, it's a large code base. It's the MongoDB Atlas CLI. So we're going to simply open the BLACKBOX AI Coding Agent and we're going to ask it to help us get onboarded on it. So I want you to help me get onboarded on this code base. Just as simple as this. And we're going to let the agent scan and analyze this code. And based on this, is going to be able to accelerate a developer's onboarding on a new repo. So here, just to follow how it's going, the user wants me to help them get onboarded on this code base. Looking at the environment details, it appears to be a MongoDB Atlas CLI code base. It's a Go-based command line interface. Since there are many files, I should follow the suggested steps. So understand the user task. Since there are many files here, read the key files like the README, create a comprehensive plan. So we have the README file. We're searching for key architectural files to understand the code base structure better. So main, Go, Atlas, CMD, internal, etc. So more searches that are happening. Let me read the main entry point to understand this application structure. So here we have the main entry point that the agent went through. Let me examine the root command builder. So it's looking into the root. Let me examine the project structure and key configuration files. The make file over here wants to view the top level files. Now let me create a comprehensive onboarding plan based on my understanding. So I've analyzed the MongoDB CLI code base. I'm ready to create a comprehensive onboarding plan. So here we get the recap of it and we can tell it, can you create this into a markdown file? This way, this can be something that the user can keep referring to moving forward. So here we can take a look at it while the agent is actually generating a report for this onboarding. We're going to be able to take a look at it in a few seconds, but we're going to be able to preview this in a few seconds. Okay, so we're going to save this. And now this is the onboarding generated. Okay, so we have the project overview, description over here, key information gathered, the architecture, the framework of the CLI, the entry point, the project structure is outlined over here. We can see it here, how it's set up. Main application entry point, core logic, data access layer, API client implementation, key components, development workflow, key make targets, key technologies and dependencies, profile system, command structure examples, testing strategy. Okay. So as you can see, it's an extensive onboarding overview. So a new developer getting into this code base would very quickly have a better, more detailed understanding of the repo and be able to start contributing.